Hey you guys, back with another video. Today my son is making cilantro lime rice with grilled chicken. Oh, look how good that looks. That brown on there. Look at that. Oh, look at that seasoning on there. Ooh, that's what I'm talking about. The college students know how to make those meals. Look good. Look at that. Look at that, y'all. Look how good that looks. Look at that rice and that seasoning. See that seasoning in that rice and that chicken. My son did that one. Well, I'm going to let him enjoy his food, you guys, while it's still hot. And for me, I had me a cup of coffee. I'm eating noodles because I'm under the weather. My sinus has been acting up on me. So, then like today is sunshine, you guys. And it is beautiful. I'm gonna show you guys how nice it is out here. And see this got will get you sick, like I am, your sinuses and stuff. I don't put all the little package in there. I'm just, because of the salt content. It's all when I'm making these. I make sure that stuff is stirred in there. I haven't made none of this stuff in a while. I got this fire up too high. So, I'm going to show you guys how pretty it is out here. If Binker would let me. Y'all hear her? No, I ain't going to film you. No, you cry too much. Look at that. Can y'all see that? The sun out pretty. And see, in this weather, you'll come out, your coats and your jackets, and then the next day or two, it's 30-something degrees. Then you get really, really sick. But we expected another snowstorm overnight into tomorrow. Just to calm before the storm. So there it is. And I thank you guys for watching, and I will be back with another video. I see people walking. Bye-bye now.